Cardano just broke two major support levels, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, yesterday we were trading around this level at the 41 cent mark when I made the video mentioning that if we break this 41 cents, we can definitely be looking for a possible capitulation on Cardano. A lot of you guys were questioning whether or not this will happen. Well, it looks like it played out exactly like that. We can see that we did see that 41 cent break. We saw this massive move to the downside, and I mentioned that 40 cent level is going to be very interesting, but because of the fact that we saw 2 wicks already where buyers were waiting, I don't think the third time that would hold, and that's exactly what happened. We saw a beautiful move to the downside and then a continuation move hitting the lows at around that 38 cents before buyers finally came in and bought back up. Now, there's two things to note. Number one is obviously the fact that there wasn't enough of a strong pullback. Usually in the first two moves, we saw there was a large pullback right after they were bought. We saw this wick to the downside and then immediately right above that support level once again. Now on Cardano, we're not seeing the same thing anymore, right? We're still below these support levels. Although there was some bullish action, there wasn't much in terms of saying that yes, we are now officially done the bearish move downwards. Ideally, we have to get above this support level with a strong bullish candle on the 40 cent mark, find that as support, and then another continuation pulling above the 44 cents. If we continue trading below this 40 cent mark and finding it as resistance, Cardano will still have a much more lower chance to go, and we're looking around the 30 cent support level. Ideally, right now we are seeing an oversold level, obviously extreme oversold conditions, so entering a short right now would be very dangerous, right? I don't recommend it if you are looking for a shorting opportunity right now until you see that rejection pattern on Cardano. Once you get that rejection pattern, only then you can confirm that yes, we are heading towards the downside, and only then entering a short position. Now on the hourly chart, you can see that we have a much better idea of what exactly is happening on Cardano. We did see a small price movement after this massive capitulation. We saw a little bit of a few price action moving upwards, but we're still rejecting below the exponential moving averages. Ideally, what I would like to see is that same move above that resistance, but if we can't get that level and on the lower time frames you start seeing that rejection pattern on Cardano, that would be your entry for a shorting position. But make sure you pay attention to this hourly. Ideally, what this could just be is a simple pullback because we had this huge move to the downside. This doesn't mean that we are now officially done the move and we're going to be continuing higher. Make sure you guys don't enter a position too soon, because ideally what you want is that confirmation, right? That confirmation would look like the previous price action that we saw on the 4 hours where buyers were instantly buying this candlesticks up. You guys can see we saw a capitulation candle right here, instantly bought back up on the 4 hours, and again right over here we saw another move to the downside, and that was instantly bought up, and that would be a confirmation for a long entry. But right now we're not seeing the same patterns, right? On Cardano, you can see that we are pretty much just trading below on the 4 hours, guys. This is not the hourly. We've already seen 3 4-hour candles and we're still failing to break above. So make sure you get that confirmation before you enter a position, and ideally for the bullish case we have to get above that 40 cent mark and then a continuation higher. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.